Hey guys, good morning. At least it's morning for me. Good afternoon or evening whenever you're watching this. I am coming at you from my car today to show you the Easter baskets that I have made with the things that I have collected from the dumpster diving from the trash. I do these every year. Well, not every year, but I think this is my third year, and I plan to continue doing it. I make these Easter baskets and then I deliver them to families that are in need in the community. I live in the Metro Detroit area, so I have lots of people around me accessible that are in need. Plus, the current coronavirus situation has, baffled a lot of people financially and jobs wise and everything. So I have found homes for all of these, and I'm going to go deliver them on Saturday. I just wanted to show you them real quick and wish you guys a happy Easter and hope you're doing well. Let me just show you. So right here I have 12 of these little kid baskets, and then I have 9 older kid bags that I will show you on the other side as well. So just a general overview, and again, every single part of this, including the baskets, came from the dumpster. And a lot of it I've had saved since last year. These baskets, and then some of this candy that is a little bit, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? Like things that don't expire. So the date, I got these last year, and the date on them is September of 2021. So those have over a year left. So I have been saving those in my home since last year, as well as like these little Skittles ones, stuff like that. But they're eggs with candy. So in general, every basket has the basket, obviously. They all have some sort of lip balm. They all have these little Hatchimals ornaments, which I think are adorable. And when I found these, I said I was going to save them until Christmas, but somebody suggested Easter, which was a fabulous idea. I just took them out of their packaging because it did say Christmas, but that is perfect for Easter, so that's awesome. And then some of the candy and snacks that I found recently, this little snack pack, the sharks, the mints, these little wafer cookies, these bubblegum eggs I have also been saving since last year. And then I found some sixlets actually yesterday. So those will not be included in a haul because I've already opened them and put them in here. But everybody has at least 4 sixlets, which are just little chocolate candies. And then they all have this little bunny. It is stuffed, not very much, so I wouldn't say it's like a toy, but everybody has a little bunny. And then they have, if you remember, these are little stompers. This one is shaped like a dinosaur foot, and then it has a string on the top. It's upside down right now. It has a string on the top that the kid can put their foot in and then tie that around their foot, and it's like stilts. So those are cute. Some of them are not shaped like dinosaur feet, but they're still super cute. And then half of them have these little felt activity sets, and those are super cute. I got those not too long ago. So the ones with the felt activity sets are going to go to the little kids, like 4 and under, and then the ones without the felt activity sets are going to go to the older kids. And then some of them are a little bit different. Like this one, I put in some of the bubble gum, which I've been saving since last year, and this one has a face mask, also from the dumpster. This one has a little feather boa, which is also from the dumpster. They're mostly girly. Here's one that I made for, I think this girl is 6. So I put in this little flower growing kit, which is from the dumpster. Everything is. She has a face mask and some lotion, and then the rest of the, the usual stuff. And then I did have some parents with siblings that have little boys, so I made some like younger boy baskets. I gotta set this back up. With the green, and then he has like a snake flower and the blue eggs and stuff like that. And then so those are all generally the same. I also had a dad with a few siblings, and one of them is a 1-year-old, so I took out a lot of the stuff that a 1-year-old can't use or eat. I left in 1 egg, and the stompers because, you know, why not? And then I gave him the felt activity set and then a puzzle that I have been saving for a long time because I don't really have any babies in the family. So I put that in there as well. And then just some snacks that the rest of the siblings can share as well. Yeah, there was also 2 families that had older boys, not too much older, they're 9, but obviously they wouldn't enjoy stuff like this. So my mom and I are, when we go grocery shopping, we're just going to buy baskets similar to these that a 9-year-old boy would enjoy and include those as well. So I have, oh, here's another cute little thing. I have 2 of these mini eggs that are from last year as well, but again, not expired until 2021. So those are in 2 of the baskets. And then, sorry, I'm gonna move. I have them all labeled with where I am delivering them to. So I'm gonna, there we go, flip that upside down so you can't see. And then I have 6 egg kits. So I have 1 of these with the stickers, and then 5 that have like an interactive unicorn that you use on your phone. So 5 of the kids are going to get the interactive egg kit with their baskets. So we'll get the basket and the eggs. And then 1 of them will get this with their basket. The baby's going to get the fish with his basket. Here's just some other stuff. No, I don't want you to see that because it's an address. Like, this is a pack of lemonade that I got last year. That's some chocolates. Just super cute stuff. So that's the gist of that. Like I said, I only have 6 egg kits. So 6 of them get the eggs, 1 of them gets the fish, which is the baby. And then my parents have some brand new games that I will insert a picture of right here. And the rest of them will be going with the game basket. So I already have all that decided, like who gets who. The families, you know, they can kind of share the eggs and the games, but I think they're fun. As a little kid, I think I would have enjoyed it, especially in families in situations that aren't the greatest. So like I said, I have 12 of these little kid baskets, and then let me take you to the other side and show you the older kid bags. Okay, I'm not going to go too in depth because these also have names on the other side taped to them. But if you remember, I found these makeup bags before Valentine's Day. So they get the bag, and then on the inside there's some of the little snacks that are in the other bags as well, or the other baskets. So they have the makeup bag, some snacks. Everyone has a face mask, a lip balm, and a little body oil. So they all get that, and then there was makeup and things included in the bags already when I found them in the dumpster. So there's like mascara, makeup removers, beauty blenders, lip glosses, things like that were already in here. So I have 9 of these for older girls. Like I said, I didn't really have anything for older boys, so my mom and I are just going to go buy that. And we are also going to buy like a bag of Easter candy to go with every one of these older girl bags, as well as something similar to like the eggs and the games that the little kids are going to get, just so the older kids feel included as well. And then each one of these also has at the bottom, you can't really see, kind of, they also are each getting an ornament and a body wash. So that's that for the older girls. So I have 9 older girls, 12 little kid baskets, and 2 boy baskets that we are going to be purchasing. So all in all, that will be 23, I think, families or kids that will be getting Easter baskets. This is something that I enjoy doing, and all of it was free. Literally all of this that you see in the car, I spent 0 money on. We are going to be spending a little bit of money on the boy baskets and the extras for the older girl baskets, but still something I enjoy doing. This year I'm hoping to find a lot of things after Easter, just because I don't think a lot of people are out buying things at the moment. So hopefully next year I can do even more. But thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, here's the unicorn eggs. interactive with jelly beans. They're not expired. I have had them since last year, however, so hope to find more of those as well. And then here's a little glimpse of the sticker egg hunt. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Easter, and I will see you when I'm back. I hope you guys are staying safe and well, and keep in touch. Thank you.